Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based model and lover of makeup. It is actually Thanksgiving here in the US when I am filming, and like many of us, I am not with family, but it's actually not something new to me. I generally do not celebrate the holidays with my birth family. We are not very close at all. And over the years, my definition of what family means has drastically changed, and it's more about the people who come into my life and become my chosen family. So I hope no matter where you are feeling loved. And I mean, obviously this is being posted after that day anyway, but any day, honestly, that's important, that you surround yourself with people, even if it's distanced right now, who care about you and who support you and uplift you. So speaking of which, today I am going to be focusing on Doubledown Cosmetics. They are one of my favorite brands. I am an affiliate of theirs, but that does not change how I review their products or what I say about them, but I do genuinely like their products a lot. I enjoy them quite a lot. And they really have become family to me. They are super supportive, Kristen and Marvin. They are wonderful members of the domestic violence uplifting community, and they work hard to get people out of really toxic situations. And right alongside that, their makeup products are very clean and non-toxic. And yeah, I love them to the moon and back. So today I'm kind of doing a reclaiming, rebirthing look. I am cleansing at the moment. I'm doing just a one-day fast. I would love to do more, but I am in the busiest season of my day job, so I really cannot afford to not have energy to pack probably, honestly, several hundred packages tomorrow. But anyway, so I wanted to do a fire look today. I am a fire sun sign, a fire rising sign, and a fire love sign. Aries sun, Leo rising, and Aries Venus. So I am going to be using the Phoenix by Doubledown. It's a beautiful matte orange shade. I'm going to be using the Fire, which is a golden metallic shade. It's more of a yellow gold. And I did want to, Kristen actually sent me a look that had a little bit of a purple in it, so I'm going to be using the Babs Glow underneath the eye. And this shadow is actually discontinued now, but I'm going to be using a little bit of the Concise. It was a collaboration they did with Medea J, and they actually have a current collaboration with her as well. And so yeah, I'm just going to pop a little bit of this in the crease just to give it a little more depth. And I'm also going to be using the Status highlighter, of course. And I thought I would throw in a little bit of dimension as well. It's a shimmery blush. On some people it could be a highlighter, but it's definitely a little too dark for me as a highlighter, but as a shimmery blush it'll be stunning. So yeah, I have blabbed on enough, so let's get right into this. So first, on a fluffy brush, I am taking the shade the Phoenix, and I am placing this above the crease, and I'm also pulling it out to create a sort of winged effect. And now on a flat brush, I am taking the shade the Fire, and I am placing this all over the lid. taking the shade The Concise, and on a small, I mean, it's technically a flat brush, but I'm using like the outer edge of it and using it as a liner brush. And I'm just placing this color, and this is where I experience the most fallout, and it's honestly my own fault. Like with pigments, you really have to be slow and careful and just do a little bit at a time, and I picked up too much product and it ended up falling all over my face, and I am keeping a little bit of that in here just to show that, I mean, you can make it work if you're determined. You can just go with the flow, keep going, and concealer and a sponge or brush can fix a lot of problems. And I decided to just go ahead and pull this color below the eye as well, and I'm pretty happy with that decision. Next, I'm going in with the shade The Babs Glow, and I am just placing this beneath the eye. At this point, I'm just blending the upper section just to make it more seamless. And now I'm going in with the shade The Status, and I'm using this as my inner eye highlight color. And now I'm just going in with the Pacifica Kohl pencil in the shade Bare, and this is just to brighten and make the eyes look a little bigger. And I'm just going ahead and curling the lashes. And as usual, of course, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And now I'm going in with the shade The Dimension as a blush. It's a nice shimmery blush. For some reason on Instagram I put the standard. I couldn't remember which one I used, and I need to go back and reference my videos before posting on Instagram. But yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous blush. And now I'm going in with the Status above that as the highlight color. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Tang Thing. And that is quite a mouthful to say. And this is just a beautiful tangerine shade. And I will say that even though these lipsticks are marketed as sheer lipsticks, there's actually a decent amount of color payoff for that. And they're really beautiful and comfortable to wear. Completed look. It is definitely very fiery like I wanted, and I will say that I definitely experienced some fallout with placing the brownish gold color in well, when I was trying to do the liner with that, but honestly that's my own fault. That's the nature of loose pigments. And I was able to clean it up, and I definitely am going to keep some footage in just to show how I did that, because I honestly made quite a mess, but I definitely turned it around. And yeah, I'm really feeling this look, and the dress that I am going to be wearing has a fire print on it, so it's very on theme. So yeah, stay tuned until the very end to see the photos that I put in. I'm going to go put on my look, and I think I just barely have some sunlight left, which I haven't had for a while because I usually film these after the sun has already set. So yeah, I'm gonna go take some photos, and I hope you're all doing well, and until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.